I am Bhausaheb Sitaram Marote, Junior College Teacher, RBNB College, Srirampur. Today we see the new topic, biodiversity, conservation and environmental issue. Now today's, that is 21st century, biodiversity, conservation and environmental issue is an important, because why? So many type of the population will be increases on the earth. Diversity, some ecosystems get destroyed. New ecosystems will be developed on the earth. So these some are the hazardous and also some are the very beneficial ecosystem will be developed on the earth, or some ecosystem get lapse or get destroyed. So the biodiversity and conservation and environmental issue is an important for to study the all type of the ecosystem. If we study what is the diversity, what is the ecosystem, or as a biodiversity is a variety. The variety of a life is called as a biodiversity. That is the variety of life. Variety of life is a biodiversity. What type of the life will be included here? What type of the animals can be seen here? So many type of the species will be seen here. What is this? Suppose we see microscopic to the macroscopic, to the macroscopic type of the species or organism can be found in this biodiversity. So these microscopic and macroscopic animals have their special biodiversity as well as the ecosystem. What type of the microscopic as well as microscopic as well as the macroscopic organisms are there is an important. First, some are that is the viruses, algae, fungi, plant and animals. Plant and animals, they show the microscopic to the macroscopic organisms. They all found into the ecosystem as well as ecological complexes. These are the that is viruses, algae, fungi, plants and animals. These are the part of the biodiversity. The diversity is respect to. What is the diversity? Because so many type of the organisms will be seen here, from viruses, algae, from viruses to the animal. That is the viruses, algae, fungi, plant, animal. So their structure, their size, their shape, all are the different with their respective characters. If we see the respective character, that is microscopic character, their size, their shape, their structure, size, shape, structure, mode of, that is color, their form and mode of nutrition These all characters will be studied between this ecosystem or as a biodiversity. So this biodiversity will be depend on this size, shape, structure, color, form and mode of nutrition. If we study surrounding to us, that is ecological diversity will be seen. That is the some are the desert, some are the terrestrial, some are the aquatic ecosystems can be found surrounding to us. In the suppose we take example like of the aquatic ecosystem. In the aquatic ecosystem, there are so many type of the micro to the macro organisms can be found. That is unicellular to the multicellular organism will be seen in this ecosystem. Best example between this ecosystem, some that is microorganisms like of the zooplanktons as well as phytoplanktons, and some huge animals or as organisms can be found between these. That is huge plants are also seen there. That is these are the diversity in the ecology in the aquatic ecosystem. Meaning of that, very small alga are also present in the ecosystem. They are having their world, or either their adaptation, their nutritional, because these are the autotrophic, so their nutrition, adaptation, all are the different habitat of this ecosystem, or these microorganisms can be found. But some large amount, large size of the organisms are there in the aquatic ecosystem. So if we study these all type of the environmental issue, or as a biodiversity of these organisms will be studied in these topics, is an important, because why? Their size, shape, mode of nutrition, habit and habitat, their reproduction, mortality, duration and life cycle. That is mortality, duration of life cycle, can be found in the different ecosystem. So microscopic organisms have a very short life cycle than the macroscopic organism. Macroscopic organisms, because why? Their lifespan is very high, so they can complete their life cycle in a very short period as well as very long period. So for the studying of these organisms, that is the climatic condition or as the environmental condition plays an important role for this. म्हणजेच काय, ज्यावेळेला आपण निसर्गाचा अभ्यास करतो त्यावेळेला निसर्गामध्ये विविधता म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे एक पेशीयेपासून तर बहुपेशीयेपर्यंत अतिशय लहानात लहान की डोळ्याने सहज दिसणार नाही अशापासून तर जायंट अतिशय मोठ्या आकाराचे सजीव राहतात, एक पेशीयेपासून तर बहुपेशीयेपर्यंत. मग त्यामध्ये काय वेगवेगळे प्रकार कोणते? तर समार्थी व्हायरसेस, त्यामध्ये व्हायरसेस काही पाहायला मिळतात, शेवाळे पाहायला मिळतील, काही बुरशी पाहायला मिळतील, काही वनस्पती असतील आणि काही प्राणी असतील. त्याचा अधिवास वेगळा आहे, त्याचं रोकॅटी राहणं वेगळं आहे, त्याचा शेप वेगळा आहे, त्याची साईज वेगळी आहे, स्ट्रक्चर, त्याचा कलर वेगळा आहे, त्याचा फॉर्म्स वेगळा आहे, त्याचं मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशनसुद्धा वेगळं आहे, त्याची मोटॅलिटीसुद्धा वेगळी आहे. दॅट इज मुवमेंट ऑफ दिस ऑर्गॅनिझम, त्याची हालचाल कशी होते हे सुद्धा प्रत्येक ऑर्गॅनिझमचं वेगळं आहे. त्याचबरोबर त्याचं ड्युरेशन ऑफ द लाईफ सायकल, तो किती काळ जगतो हे सुद्धा आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं. काही सूक्ष्म प्रकारचे जे ऑर्गॅनिझम्स किंवा ॲनिमल्स असतात किंवा प्लांट्स असतात, दॅट इज मायक्रोस्कोपिक, त्यांचं जीवनमान जर पाहिलं तर अतिशय कमी असतं, आणि त्या मानाने जे काही हायर ऑर्गॅनिझम्स असतील त्यांचा जो लाईफ पिरियड असतो तो अतिशय मोठा असतो. म्हणून ज्यावेळेला आपण डायव्हर्सिटीचा अभ्यास करतो त्यावेळेला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या इकोसिस्टीम आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील याच्यामध्ये, की विच आर द इकोसिस्टीम. सपोज बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल दॅट इज द टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टीम, जमिनीवर असणारे इकोसिस्टीम आहे. त्यानंतर पाण्यामध्ये असणारे इकोसिस्टीम आहे, एरियल इकोसिस्टीम आहे, दॅट इज ॲक्वॅटिक इकोसिस्टीम, एरियल इकोसिस्टीम. सपोज बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल वी आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम इट, दॅट इज द टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टीम. ज्यावेळेला टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टीमचा ज्यावेळेला अभ्यास केला जातो त्यावेळेला टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टीम्स आर ऑल्सो द डिफरंट वेअर द टेम्परेचर और जे क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन आर डिफरंट इन द वर्ल्ड्स. or as suppose take like example like of our country in India, that is the in our so many states, that is the regional condition is different, that is temperature is varies from very less to the very high. म्हणजे जर आपण भारताचा इतिहास केला तर जेवढे राज्य आहे त्याप्रमाणे जर विचार केला तर वेगवेगळ्या राज्यामध्ये तापमान हे कमी किंवा जास्त असतं, त्याप्रमाणे टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टीम ही डेव्हलप झालेली असते. सपोज वी टेक बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल वेअर दॅट इज द काश्मीर, देअर आर द टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टीम कॅन बी डेव्हलप्ड बट दॅट क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन इज व्हेरी लेस, सो देअर इकोसिस्टीम इज डिफरंट. सपोज बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल इन महाराष्ट्र, आपण महाराष्ट्राचं उदाहरण जर घेतलं तर महाराष्ट्रामधली जी काही इकोसिस्टीम आहे टेम्परेचर इज ऑल्सो व्हॅरीज. देअर आर दी 3 सीझन्स, वन इज दी रेनी सीझन्स, winter seasons and summer season are there, so the climatic conditions are changes. So between these different type of the plants or as a locality, different type of the animals can be seen in only, suppose take example like of the महाराष्ट्राचं जर उदाहरण घेतलं तर वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचं वातावरण आपल्या भागामध्ये असल्यामुळे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे प्राणी आणि वनस्पती आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतात. सगळेच प्राणी किंवा सगळेच वनस्पती ज्या एकाच भागामध्ये पाहायला मिळत नाही. दीज आर दी बायोडायव्हर्सिटी ऑफ दिस लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम. मग ही जी विविधता आहे, ही जी प्राण्यांची किंवा वनस्पतीची विविधता आहे, तर एका राज्यामध्ये असेल तर संपूर्ण वर्ल्डमध्ये सपोज टेक बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल लाईक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, देअर आर दी टेम्परेचर इज व्हॅरीज. सम फ्रोझन टेम्परेचर आर देअर विदिन सम कंट्रीज. काही देशांमध्ये अतिशय थंड तापमान आहे की त्यामध्ये सुद्धा काही झाडं वनस्पती व्यवस्थितपणे अडॅप्ट झाले राहतात. म्हणजेच काय, ह्या बायोडायव्हर्सिटीमध्ये अडॅप्टेशन इज ॲन इम्पॉर्टंट फॅक्टर बिकॉज वाय देअर क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन प्लेज ॲन इम्पॉर्टंट रोल टू अडॅप्ट दिस ऑर्गॅनिझम इन पर्टिक्युलर कंडिशन वेअर द टेम्परेचर इज व्हेरी लेस. दॅट इज दिस टाईप ऑफ द अडॅप्टेशन बिटवीन these organisms can be found. When temperature is high, that is the particular condition or as adaptation between these organisms can be found. म्हणजे जर बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल वी आर टेकिंग लाईक ऑफ दिस, आपल्या भागातला महाराष्ट्रातला माणूस जो आहे जर तो काश्मीरमध्ये आपण पाठवला तर इट कॅनॉट सर्वाईव्ह व्हेरी इझिली ऑर कॅनॉट अडॅप्ट व्हेरी इझिली. आणि काश्मीरमधला माणूस जर तिथे टेम्परेचर कमी असतं आणि तो जर आपल्या महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आणला तर सहजासहजी तो ॲडॅप्ट होणार नाही. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय, हिमाचल प्रदेश वगैरे टेम्परेचर पाहिलं तर बरंचसं कमी असतं, बिकॉज टेम्परेचर इज व्हेरी लेस. सो दिस पर्टिक्युलर टाईप ऑफ द प्लांट्स अँड ॲनिमल्स कॅन सर्वाईव्ह देअर, कॅन अडॅप्ट देअर, बिकॉज दिस टाईप ऑफ द अडॅप्टिंग कंडिशन बिटवीन these plants can be found. But in our region, that is in Maharashtra region, that is that temperate region, उष्ण तापमान ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, temperate climatic condition will be found here. So these type of the plants as well as animals are survive. So this biodiversity can be found. So here in our country, that is biodiversity. What type of the biodiversity will be seen? That is the aquatic, terrestrial, and aerial biodiversity will be seen. So these between this biodiversity, so many type of the organisms are there. They get adapted in this particular climatic condition. But suppose we study about this, that is for the biodiversity, that is the term biodiversity was actually coined by the scientist Walter Rosen in 1882. वॉल्टन रोझेन जो शास्त्रज्ञ आहे त्याने पहिली सुरुवातीला बायोडायव्हर्सिटी ही टर्म जी आहे ती सांगितली, दॅट इज बायोडायव्हर्सिटी. परंतु पॉप्युलॅरिटी कोणी दिली? दॅट इज दिस दीज आर द सोशलॉजिस्ट एडवर्ड विल्सन गिव द पॉप्युलॅरिटी टू दिस biodiversity because he combined biodiversity at levels of the biological organisms. म्हणजे जो सोशॉलॉजिस्ट आहे एडवर्ड विल्सन याने काय केलं तर बायोडायव्हर्सिटीमध्ये ऑल लेवल्स ऑफ दी बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आर इन्क्लुडेड. सो दीज आर द व्हेरी पॉप्युलर. सो फर्स्ट म्हणजे पहिलं जी टर्म आहे दी फर्स्ट टर्म इज कॉइन्ड बाय दी सायंटिस्ट दॅट इज वॉल्टर रोझेन इन 1982. सॉरी, नॉट 1882. These are the 1982. So the next पुढचं जे काम केलं आहे तर these are the name that is the popularity given to this biodiversity, that is Edward Wilson. When what is the biodiversity? Biodiversity that we see today is the outcome over 3.5 billion of years of evolutionary history. We see the today's biodiversity. These are the it will be seen today. These are the outcome of over near about 3.5 billion years of evolutionary history, mainly influenced by natural process and led by influence of the humans. These are the natural process and led by the influence of the humans. Because why? This biodiversity plays an important role again, or as they will be rounds within the human being, because they will be helpful or useful only to the humans. Suppose we see the definition of the biodiversity. What is the definition of the biodiversity? It is the part of nature. What is the biodiversity? Biodiversity is the part of nature which includes differences in the genes. These are the differences in the genes among the individual of a species. These are the definition for it. Because why? What if we see the definition of biodiversity? Biodiversity, it is a part of nature. Biodiversity is a part of nature which includes the differences in the genes among the individuals of a species. These varieties is a richness of all plants and animal. These varieties are richness of all plants and animal species at different scales different scales in a space. What is the, suppose take example like of the earth. Earth, we take example like of the earth, there are a very huge or a wide space to grow the plants as well as animals. So the local regions, countries and the worlds, the types of ecosystems, that is both terrestrial, aquatic, is defined within the area. Suppose that is the different scales in a space, that is local regions. Suppose take example like of in our country, these are the local area, or Maharashtra, these are the local area that is within some countries. And within the worlds, the types of ecosystem, that is both terrestrial and aquatic, they are defined, that is the area. Best example, suppose we are going toward the Chandrapur or as a Chandrapur region, there are the wild sanctuaries are there for the wild animals, because the wild animals are protected there. चंद्रपूर अभयारण्य जर आपण पाहिलं तर त्यामध्ये जंगली प्राणी जे आहेत ते भरपूर प्रमाणामध्ये त्या सँक्चुरीजमध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील, कारण दीज आर द प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया फॉर द ग्रोथ और एज अ डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ दिस पर्टिक्युलर एरिया, दॅट इज दीज वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. Suppose that is the cultivated area, that is the agriculture area. Their agriculture area having the so many parts will be found into in our country. So their agriculture will be developed in a particular area to the human health and development. म्हणजे जर आपण भारताचा वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचा जर आपण नीट अभ्यास केला तर काही ठिकाणी शेती करण्यासाठी योग्य तशा प्रकारची जमीन असेल तर त्या प्रकारचे जे काही क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन असेल किंवा ती त्या प्रकारचे वनस्पती किंवा त्या प्रकारचे प्राणी जे आहेत त्या ठिकाणी त्याचा विकास झाला किंवा डेव्हलप झाले. म्हणून ज्यावेळेला आपल्याला ह्या व्हेन वी स्टडी ॲट दी दॅट इज द बायोडायव्हर्सिटी प्लेज अ की रोल टू द एन्व्हायरमेंट, बिकॉज बाय स्टडी बिटवीन दिस बायोडायव्हर्सिटी द व्हरायटी ऑफ लाईफ can be seen, that is the species, so many different type of the species will be seen in this biodiversity, that is the microscopic to the macroscopic world can be seen here. What is the microscopic species? That is the viruses cannot be seen very easily to the naked eyes, or some bacteria cannot be seen very easily to the naked eyes. So from microscopic to the macroscopic world can be found surrounding to us, so they are interrelated with each others, and this type of the biodiversity will be developed on the earth. Because why the terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem are very huge ecosystem and will be developed all over the world or on the earth. So that is terrestrial ecosystem, they are the different type of the temperatures can be found into the different region of the different worlds or also in our country. So by the studying of these temperature, it may be frozen temperature or as a very high temperature near about the 50 temperature. So particular type of the climatic condition, it may be animal, it may be plants, will be developed there. That is the particular type of the animals can grow there, particular type of the plants are grow there, they will be developed. Their forest or a jungle will be developed there. So particular type of the community are well developed between these particular conditions. Suppose best example here we live here, that is the populations of the women will be increases in our country than other country, because my land area is a very not a very huge or is very high in our country, but the population of the human is very high than other countries. Because why? That is for the increasing the population, human population, for increase the human population, the suitable climatic conditions are found in our country, so the human population will be increases. Suppose we are going to the west countries, there the population is very less than their area of the lands. जर आपण ज्यावेळेला पाश्चिमात्य देशांकडे जर गेलं, त्यांचा जो काही जमिनीचा एरिया जो आहे तो अतिशय जास्त असला तरीही ह्युमन किंवा मानवी जी काही पॉप्युलेशन आहे, ह्युमन पॉप्युलेशन, त्या मानाने भारताच्या पॉप्युलेशनपेक्षा आपल्याला फरक जाणवतो. भारतामध्ये क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन सुटेबल असल्यामुळे ह्युमन पॉप्युलेशन इज व्हेरी हाय इन आवर कंट्री. सो बिकॉज हिअर लँड इज व्हेरी लेस दॅन द अदर कंट्रीज. सो दीज आर द डिफरन्स बिटवीन इट. व्हेन वी स्टडी अबाउट दिस बायोडायव्हर्सिटी, conservation and environmental issue is an important, because why? To study the different type of the ecosystems will be developed. When from the ancient days, first living organism will be developed inside the water, probably that is automatically, that is the development, that is the evolutionary, that is a hierarchy from lower to the higher organism, or as a from ponds or as aquatic to the टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टीम. ज्यावेळेला आपण इकोसिस्टम्स ज्यावेळेला अभ्यास करतो त्यावेळेला सर्वात सुरुवातीला पहिली इकोसिस्टीम जी तयार झाली तर ती पाण्यामध्ये तयार झाली. म्हणजे मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम, युनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आर डेव्हलप्ड इनसाइड द वॉटर. सो दीज आर द इव्होल्यूशन. नियर अबाउट 3.5 million years, these are evolutionary trend will be found from a hierarchy, from lower to the higher. We see that is these are the as important, because why? The unicellular organisms are developed inside the water. It was the autotrophic as well as heterotrophic, because the mode of nutrition is different from the different ecosystem and different organisms as well as different animals. ज्यावेळेला मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन आपण पाहतो तर प्रत्येक सजीवाचा त्याचा साईज, शेप, आकार, न्यूट्रिशन, त्याचा फॉर्म, त्याचा कलर, ऑल आर द डिफरंट. बट त्याचं मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज ऑल्सो डिफरंट. अल्गीचं मोड, इफ वी सी दी मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन ऑफ algae, mode of nutrition of the algae, these are the autotrophic. Viruses are the parasitic. because they it is not a living. When they come in contact with the living organism, they are living, otherwise they will be found on where that is नॉन लिव्हिंग कंपोनंट. दीज आर द नॉन लिव्हिंग. ज्यावेळेला व्हायरस एखाद्या सजीवाच्या संपर्कात येतो त्यावेळेला तो ॲक्टिव्ह होतो. जर तो एखाद्या निर्जीव वस्तूच्या संपर्कात असेल तर तो इनॲक्टिव्ह असतो. मिनिंग ऑफ दॅट, व्हेन व्हायरसेस कम इन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ द लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम दे विल बी ॲक्टिव्ह, अदरवाइज दीज आर द इनॲक्टिव्ह व्हेन दे फॉल ऑन द नॉन लिव्हिंग थिंग or as a non living material. Next, as important, that is again algae are the autotrophic, because why? They contain the chlorophyll pigment, so they have ability to synthesize their food material. Then fungi are again as a heterotrophic or as a saprophytic. These are the saprophytic, because why? They fungi grown on the dead and decaying matter. These are the microorganism. Micro to the macro, shape of these fungi are also different from micro to the macro, so these are the saprophytic. Plants always known about it, because plants are the autotrophic, but their size and shape are the different. If they are present on the terrestrial habit, but their nature are also different. Their size, shape, color, all type of the plants are different. Study again with the animals. Animals are the so many type of the animals will be found surrounding to us. So their animals are the heterotrophic as well as parasitic. Heterotrophic as well as parasitic, because heterotrophic means that is for the food they are depend on the others, and some are the parasitic, because why? Parasite, some animals take ready-made food from the others organism, so these are the parasitic condition of these organisms can be found. So the biodiversity plays a key role into the environment, because why? So many type of the biodiversity or as ecosystem will be developed on the earth from the ancient days, near about 3.5 million years. That is, these are the evolutionary trend of the world or as the earth. So biodiversity, so many type of the ecosystem will be found into this. Meaning of that, that is the level of the biodiversity. Suppose what is the level of the biodiversity? The level of the biodiversity is also depend on the so many criteria are there. Best criteria will be seen to the next topic, but only we can discuss on it. That is genetic diversity. Genetic diversity, that is the human. If see the human being or as any, take example like of the mango. आंब्याचं जर उदाहरण घेतलं तर more than 10,000 species of the mango, more than 1,000 species of the mango can be found all over the world. आंब्याचं जर उदाहरण घेतलं जवळजवळ 1,000पेक्षा जास्त व्हरायटी आंब्याची आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील किंवा स्पेशीज पाहायला मिळतील. त्याचबरोबर व्हीट ॲज वेल राईस, गहू किंवा तांदळाचं जर एक्झाम्पल घेतलं तर मोर दॅन 50,000 डिफरंट स्पेशीज ऑफ दी व्हीट ॲज वेल ॲज राईस कॅन बी फाउंड ऑल ओव्हर दी वर्ल्ड. सो दी biodiversity is depend on the some factors, that is gene, that is some species, then ecological diversity. So these are it will be seen to the next topic, but today only we see here what is the diversity. What is the diversity? If we see the definition of the diversity is a variety. The variety of life is called as a biodiversity. Biodiversity means that is the variety of life, it is known as the biodiversity. It includes vast array of species, that is the microorganism, that is viruses, algae, fungi, plants and animals occurring on earth, either terrestrial or aquatic habit and ecological complexes. Only today we see here that is what is the diversity, what is the biodiversity. Diversity means that is the variety of living organism. Their habit on the earth is an important factor. The next topic, next lecture we study about the different levels of the biodiversity. Today only we see here that is what are these, that is the biodiversity which plays an important role for the diversity from microscopic to the macroscopic organism. Their type of these microorganism, that is viruses, algae, fungi, plants, animals. Their size, shape, structure, color, form, mode of nutrition, mortality, duration of life cycle. These are because if we see the life cycle, some animals have the very short lifespan or as a very short life cycle, but in higher organism life period or as a lifespan is very high. Best example we take like a human being, that is life period is near about 100 years. And then some small organisms, that is four-pedal organisms, life period or lifespan is very short. So suppose we study between this lifespan or as life period of the living organism is varies from plant to plant, species to species, animal to animals, and their habit locality are also different. To the next topic, we study about the levels of biodiversity. Today only we see what are the biodiversity, which plays the key role for the biodiversity, their forms, their organisms, their nutritional, their size, form, Thank you. Next lecture we see about the biodiversity level of the biodiversity. Thank you.